Hey friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I'm so thrilled to share this new video with you all. And this thermocol art is a part of a bigger artwork which we had done it for Republic Day. It was a bulletin board and it's just a part of it. It's a thermocol art and I've been wanting to share this art with you. The tricks of how to color the thermocol right in a correct way, and it should be vibrant and it should be, shining with beauty and aesthetic प्लेजेंटनेस. सो दोस्तों, मैं आप सबके साथ इसके जो भी सीक्रेट्स हैं, टॉप सीक्रेट्स, आई डोंट नो अगर कोई आपके साथ वो शेयर करता है या इतना डिटेल में नोटिस करता है जो आपको समझा सके. सो अगेन दोस्तों, इस पूरे वीडियो के So friends, as I told you, there are secrets involved, and the very first trick or the secret of coloring the thermocol right is choosing the right medium. Right medium मतलब getting your correct colors right. आप कौन से कलर से उस thermocol को कलर करते हैं, it really changes the entire look and the feel of the artwork. So the first secret is getting the right medium. And as per my knowledge, I'm suggesting you that acrylic colors is the best medium. Why? Because first, it is very vibrant, it has a nice shine to it, and the vibrancy of the color is so nice that once it is done, it looks like a finished artwork looks like a painting, if you ask me. Whereas poster color is very chalky and it doesn't have a shine. It looks like quite dead. So I would never recommend you to start with anything poster color. I love the acrylic medium. It's very fast, it's very quick and contemporary. So as per my recommendation, I suggest that whenever you're working on any of the thermocol art, pick acrylic color. So here it is, the first secret out. Use the acrylic color as your medium. the second secret of coloring the thermocol right is the consistency of the paint with water. Now, what kind of a consistency are we talking about? That is the proportion of water and the paint. Whether it should be 10%, 20% water, 80% paint, 30% water, and 70% paint. Well, to clear out the doubt here, don't use water at all. Yes, that's the fact. Here in this artwork, if you notice clearly, we are just using water to clean the brushes, as there are a couple of brushes that we are using, and as per the color changes, we just clean the brush with the water and use it as it is. So whatever the damp position the paint is, the brush is, we use it as it is. But while mixing it with colors, no. So the secret is not to use water at all. जितना मोटा आप कलर यूज़ कर रहे हो एज इट इज़ वो वैसे ही थोड़ा लिक्विडी फॉर्म में होता है. सो देर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ वाटर एज इट इज़. इफ़ यू आस्क मी, थर्मोकॉल वैसे ही पोरस है, ग्रेन्स रहते हैं उसके ऊपर. तो आप जितना पानी यूज़ करोगे वो उतना फीका होता चला जाता है वहाँ से. द कलर का टोनल वेरिएशन भी तो मैटर करता है. सो एज पर माई रिकमेंडेशन आई से डोंट यूज वाटर एट ऑल. जस्ट यूज इट टू क्लीन योर ब्रशेस. वो थोड़ा गीला रहता है एंड इट डज इट. सो दैट इट इज. When you color it, see, you here in this artwork the tones are all earthy and they are one family: yellow, orange, brown, and bit of red here and there. So how we are coloring it? We are coloring one section at a time and we are finishing it as it is then and there. So the blending of the tones is happening in wet and wet. So friends, don't just wait for one layer to dry up and then add the next layer. Don't do that. First of all, our teachers never have time. So art is always done with a lot of confidence and dheere dheere nahi. Fadafat, quick, fast. No way. There's no turning back. And then nothing goes wrong in art. You can always correct it. And here in acrylic paints, first the main quality of the paint is that it dries up very quickly. So contemporary, fast, बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट आज की जनरेशन की तरह. टाइम नहीं है, फटाफट करने का है. So here it is. You paint your colors in wet and wet और blend करते जाइए and you can always color it like dark के ऊपर light कर सकते हैं and white versa. Light के dark and dark के light. It happens both ways. So don't do the layering up. Try to do your colors in wet and wet. And one portion at a time finish करते जाइए